We have two sub-counties, eh? Yep. Yeah, you get that.
It is true that an incident happened yesterday where our armory within Maguguni police post was broken into and leading to loss of firearms, two rifles, one AK-47 and one G3. Up to now, since yesterday, the investigation are at a higher notch, and currently we have 72 people in custody. And I also want to take this opportunity to appeal to the members of the public that should you have any information that will lead us to recover those firearms, kindly share with us.